Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of Forex BD. We are sharing this video for the request of many beginner traders. We have received many requests to give a video on leverage. Today our topic are what is leverage, advantage and disadvantage of leverage. Is leverage good or terrible? Today I will discuss this issue, so I request you to watch the video from beginning to end, and those who want to learn Forex tips and tricks can follow this playlist. Here you will find all types of tips and tricks, and I will request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe. Forex BD is another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And before starting the video, I would like to say, those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. What is leverage? Simply, leverage is loan. Each broker house gives you loan based on your deposit. This is called leverage. A broker house gives us leverage so that we can make big trade with less capital. The higher your leverage, the bigger trade you can open. There was a time when no one could trade in Forex without large amount of deposit, and now anyone can do Forex trading. So broker house and leverage are making this advantage, and so we can trade with the help of loan or leverage provided by broker house in Forex. Forex leverage is a loan that does not have to be shared any percentage of interest, loss or profit with broker. You may be happy to think that Forex leverage is a loan for which you don't have to share any interest or profit with broker house. This leverage is called loan. If you take a loan from a bank, you have to pay interest on it, but you don't have to pay any interest or profit to the broker house for the leverage you are taking from broker. Let's see with example. Suppose your balance is $100 and you have a leverage of 1:200. Then that broker is giving leverage up to $200 based on your balance. So if you have a balance of $100, multiply it by 200, then your total balance is $20,000. So with this small investment, you can open big trade with the help of leverage. Also, you can make big profit and you may also face big loss. Let's take a look the calculation of leverage. Capital times leverage. Suppose your leverage is 1:100. In that case, 1 is capital and 100 is leverage. In that case, if your balance is $100 and leverage is 1:100, then your total balance is $10,000. Again, if you take 1:300 leverage and if your balance is $100, then your total balance is $30,000. Then you can open a big lot or a big trade equal to the balance of $30,000. Then it's easy to understand that the broker house is giving leverage based on your investment, and it increasing our balance so that we can trade in large amount. I hope you understand what leverage is and have an idea about it. Now let's know the advantage and disadvantage of leverage, as well as is it better or worse. Forex trading without leverage is like eating rice without salt. Leverage is mandatory if you want to trade with low balance, like $50, $20, $10 or $5, because if you want to do business with such a small amount of capital, you must take leverage. For example, 1:200, 1:500. Many brokers have unlimited leverage, so you can open large trade with less capital. Now we don't like low leverage, so let's see how terrible high leverage is. Suppose your balance is $100 and you have mistakenly traded one lot or two lot. It can lead to a huge loss or a huge gain in a moment. The loss will be because of this small mistake. This would not be a mistake if you had a low amount of leverage. If you maintain money management or if you trade thoughtfully, mistake don't bring big loss. You can't use big lot when you have less balance, because if you take leverage at 1:50 or 1:100, you can't use 2 lot or 3 lot. In that case, you will have the tendency of comply with money management, maintain risk management, and trade knowingly. And I don't think more leverage beginners should be used. Too much leverage means that a broker is lifting you over a tree. You will break your arms and legs if you suddenly fall off a tree, or cause of great damage that most traders don't follow. That's why they trade with big lot and they face big loss. So we have a request to you not to take large leverage from the broker house. As many of us know, leverage is very low in Europe country. Leverage is given there at 1:50. I repeat, there is a leverage of 1:50 in Europe. The mistake that new traders make in our country is that they trade heavily with high leverage, and in a short time they make their account zero. Before leaving, my request to you is that you must use less leverage and create an account with less leverage. Money management must be complied with. The sooner you make a profit with more leverage, the sooner you will lose your balance. Many people may ask which broker will be used to take leverage. I will definitely suggest you to use IC markets. Many people thanked us for trading here and for getting good benefit here. To introduce you to a good broker that everyone has appreciated, and create your Neteller or Skrill account from Forex BD's link. You will get all link in the description of this video. Be sure to use the link in the description below. If there is any problem in the future, Forex BD will definitely help you, and we will suggest to use leverage 1:300, 1:200 or 1:100. Must comply with money management. This will help you to survive in Forex. If you don't follow the money management, you will not be able to survive long in Forex. And I will tell beginners to follow this playlist to learn different strategies of Forex. Here is a nicely arranged for you. And if you have any more requests, please write down in the comment box. Forex BD will definitely try to be by your side. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by Forex BD's link, you will get benefit. Forex BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Neteller account by Forex BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by Forex BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. Forex BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.